just disappearing into the mist there is Tenerife's second highest peak. It's about 2,000 feet lower than Teide itself, around about the 10,200 foot mark. I'm just below 7,000 feet now. Of course, the problem is not necessarily just the climbing, but as you get higher, the air gets thinner. And as I've just come up from around about 750 feet above sea level, it's quite a massive difference in a short space of time. It's very cold this morning. There was ice on the road coming up. The thermometer on the car dashboard read 1 degree. Although it's dropped now. When I started walking there was a pretty strong wind which made it feel really freezing cold. I've got a wool layer with a fleece layer and then a down jacket on, so I'm just starting to warm up. The sun's just hitting the caldera, which is what I'm walking in. So as it progresses, as the walk progresses, things should warm up nicely, but at the moment it's still pretty chilly. I just do a quick panorama from here inside the caldera. Sun over in that direction, rising behind Guajara. There's El Sombrerito in the centre of the picture now, and just to the left of it in the cloud is El Sombrero, so that's the hat and the little hat. And then there's the El Cedro Ridge there, which is a pretty fantastic walk actually. And then in the sunshine is Montaña del Cedro. You see the mountain spinning round, a bit of cloud drifting across here. The track that I'm on, this is footpath number 28, and then Teide, and just about make them out. Pico Viejo on the left where I'm headed, and Teide on the right. I've been walking for an hour now. There's Pico Viejo towering over me, and on the left there, the black lava area you can see is from an eruption in 1798. It's known as Las Narices del Teide, which translates as something like the Nostrils of Teide, Teide's nostrils. So Teide sneezed, and there's the result, where you can see that vehicle driving along. All the black lava down there is all from that eruption. It's one of the more recent eruptions on the island. Pretty spectacular up here now. The sun's getting up, a lot of the cloud is dissipating, and the temperature's climbing. I'm starting to have to unzip things now because I'm starting to get too warm. Absolutely stunning sight up here this morning. Right, I'm around 8,200 feet now. The path has become extremely steep. I've climbed 350 feet in a matter of 10 minutes or so. So I'm having to stop fairly regularly. You can possibly make out on the right hand side of the black patch of lava up ahead, you might be able to see the path just zigzagging over to the right. That's where I'm heading. Fairly chilly still, but it's bearable now in the sun, and I'm just going to carry on up, and I'll give you an update further up. Now, besides being very steep, I've got the problem of walking through this deep volcanic sandy ash type path. It's like walking on a beach, so it makes it really difficult as you're sort of putting your foot down, and as you push off you slide backwards, so you're wasting energy. As you can see up ahead, the slope is still very steep, but I'm slowly eating away at it, so just keep plodding away. I've just got to the 9,100 foot mark, just past that fairly deep crater on the way up. The path though for the last hour or so has been absolutely awful. Deep black sand, sometimes mixed with volcanic rock. It's like one step forward and two backwards a lot of the time. Absolutely awful. So this is taking longer than anticipated. I've never been up this way before. I've been on to Pico Viejo before via a different route, but it certainly wasn't as bad as this route. There's a good view there down below of the lava flow from the eruption, 1798 eruption, and it's a pretty wonderful day up here actually. This crater is one of the Narices del Teide, Nostrils of Teide. This path that I've been on for some time is pretty horrendous, and it's slowed me down a hell of a lot, so I've decided I'm not going any further than the Nostrils today. This is quite a fitting climax to the walk, so I'm just going to explore around here for a bit and make my way back down to the car. This is quite spectacular. I've been to the summit of Pico Viejo before using a different route. There was a much better route than the one I'm on, or been on. So I think if I climb Pico Viejo again, that's the way I'll go. Because I know it was, it only took me about 3 hours last time. Look at this. Just quite incredible. Yeah, magnificent.